Today, Ireland, Norway and Spain are announcing that we recognise the State of Palestine. Each of us will now undertake whatever national steps are necessary to give effect to that decision. And I'm confident that further countries will join us in taking this important step in the coming weeks.